The product development update. You remember the first ad, this is version 1. We improved it. There were some things we didn't like about it. Before I show you version 2, let me tell you what we improved. You remember the soft flask isn't showing properly, the S and K is cut off. I don't know, but this being black, nothing else is black on that, so I don't like it. It feels out of place. The sweatband being white gets dirty too fast. So that's the main things we improved and changed up. So look at the bottom. Beautiful with everything being pink, the black being gone, and the white at the back. I love it. Look at that. Then soft flask. This was one of the big things we were working on, getting soft flask fully visible on the side. This will be live around beginning to mid of January, but we'll keep you updated on how the product development is going. We're receiving it now November, then we're going to do some quality tests, and then if the quality is good, we will release it. We've been also working on other products as well, but I'm not going to tell you guys yet. I will show you mid-December the other products, maybe mid-November, that we've been working on. But anyway, thank you for the support. We're almost at 1,000 followers. Yes, follow along. Thank you. Appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your day. And vastbyt is amper December. Cheers.